Hello. Welcome back. How is your day going? You can share me your feeling by Here are some tips on how to create a strong and effective CV. 1. Choose the right format. Before you start drafting your CV, decide on the format that best suits your skills and experience. There are three main CV formats: chronological, functional, and combination. A chronological format is the most commonly used format. It lists your work experience in the right format that suits your skills, qualifications, and work experience. There are several formats to choose from, such as chronological, most recent experience listed first, functional, emphasizing skills and achievements, and combination, a mix of both. 2. Tailor your CV to the job. Make sure to customize your CV to the job you're applying for. This means highlighting the relevant skills, qualifications, and experience that match the requirements of the job description. 3. Include a personal statement or objective. This section should provide a brief summary of your skills, experience, and career goals. It should also state what value you can bring to the company. 4. Highlight your achievements. Use bullet points to list your achievements and accomplishments in each of your previous roles. Use quantifiable metrics where possible to illustrate the impact you have made in your past roles. 5. Showcase your skills. Include a separate skills section to highlight your most relevant skills, such as language proficiency, technical skills, and soft skills. 6. Keep it concise. Your CV should ideally be no longer than 2 pages. Keep it easy to read by using bullet points and clear headings. 7. Proofread and edit. Before submitting your CV, make sure to proofread and edit for any errors or typos. Ask someone else to review it as well to get a fresh perspective. By following these tips, you can create a strong and effective CV that showcases your skills, experience, and achievements.